Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy shrimp meat in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games Launcher, and once you're in-game, press M on your keyboard, which will bring up your map, and now teleport to Lie Harbor, like I've already done. So this is Lie Harbor. Now search for a general goods store, which is right over here. Go near it. So the store's name is Second Life and the owner's name is Dongsheng. Press F to interact like so and click on the first option. So here are all the items you can buy in this general goods store. Scroll down until you find shrimp meat, which is right over here. Click on it. So as you can see, this item right here called shrimp meat can only be found in these general goods store in Lie, Inazuma and Sumeru. So to purchase this, click on the purchase button on the bottom right side of your screen, like so. Adjust the quantity by using the slider. So the item here is going to cost 105 more. To purchase this, click on the purchase button right here and the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!